Hello friends, what's up and welcome to our video. Today we are going to create a scratch game on the topic of block breaker game. So let's get into it. Firstly, we'll open our Sprites. We'll create a new project and then we will name it as block breaker. Okay, now let's begin it with Sprite and let's paint a new sprite. This sprite will be like this, and let's make this size smaller to 40 or 50. Now it will be here, and let's again paint a new sprite, and this sprite will be like this, a rectangle. Okay, and this sprite will be of the color. Let's give the color of green, and then let's give the color of okay. So let's make its size to 50 or 60. Now let's do the new sprite name basketball. If you don't use like this basketball, and then let's rename it as sprite as block. Okay, now everything is ready. Now we write our course. But for it, now let's make our background. For this, we will choose a game. We will make a game over background, and the game over background will be like this. Let's make it here, and we will give a color of this, and we will add a text named game over. Okay, so let's give a text color of black, and let's make that side to coil. Or game over, I mean, try again. Okay, now let's move. Now let's move on our coding. So when green flag click, we will make here looks and then switch background to backdrop 1, and then forever we'll go to motion and go X to mouse X and Y to minus 150. Okay, now it will work properly, and we will move on our next block. So before moving on the block, we will create some variables named alive variables works and fuel and the count. Okay. So in the blocks, we'll pick up, we'll give both tick, and then when green flag click, we will make your idle, and then set count to 30 because there are 30 blocks. Then go to control. We'll go to repeat block. Then we'll again put here one more repeat block, and then we'll put here 3 and then 10. So here we'll write create clone of myself. Then we will go to motion and write change x by 15. So we can see, and again we will go to set x to 200 minus 200, and then go x here, go x to minus 200 and y to 110. Okay, so and then we write just change y by minus 30 and next costing. Okay, and again write when I started scrolling and then mix and then India. So then we will add a forever block. Then we will add a if block and if touching to basketball, because when this block touches the basketball, it will make count -1 and it will hide again. So look, it's working now. Let's decrease the size to 50. It is working now. And then we'll next move to our ball blocks. So in the ball block, we'll write here when you click, it will point in a direction of 0 degree straight. Then it will set lights to 3. Okay, and then let's add a forward block. It will, if it touches the sprite. Okay, let's have if block, and if it touches to the sprite block. Okay, and move 10 steps, so it will just go upward. Okay, look, and if it touches on the edge, it bounces. So yeah, look, it is just working. It bounces and go up. Let's go. And if it touches the sprite of the, then it will turn 180 degree. Let's go here and place this type of front to 180 degree. And again, let's add if it touches to the sprite. Let's add to the if log. If it touches the sprite of the sprite one is this, it will change the degree of equilibrium from 90 degree to 120 degree. Look, it's working like this. Okay, and again, right, we put our if block. Then let's go to the operator and write less than 4 and in a motion we will put our y position. If our y position is less than minus 155, it will make our lives to minus 1. Means it will decrease our lives. So if this goes to the down, it will make our lives decreasing. And again we will type here if log if our lives, right? Let's put here equal to operator and here will add our lives. If our lives is equal to 0, means we don't have our life, then it will switch our backdrop to and then it will stop calling. Yeah. And now we can see like here it's working, and if it goes to the down, it will just make our life minus 1, and when our life is 0, it will make a game over. And again we can write here as broadcast message 1, and let's give a new message named game over. Let's start here, and when I receive game over, game over message, finish the call. So and then we can do your hide and stop call. So when it goes down, it will pick the light and then it will broadcast game over. You can see. Wait. Let's do it. And then let's do it. Let's put your bit into here and let's so I guess as well as add a show block here, so when you type play, it will show. And next it will strike 1. It will kind of set the message of it when I receive game over, it will hide. And when game type click, it will show, so it will work now properly. You can see it is working. So you can see it is working properly. So you can see here it is working properly. So guys, you can see here it is working properly, and when you click here, it will double up to there, and you can just play like this. And when the ball will be falling, this will send message to game over. Yeah. When the ball falls, it will hit the game over. Finally friends, we have completed making our scratch game. Hope you liked the video and get some useful informations. Have a good day. Thank you.